Looking to make your yard work easier and more efficient? Stick around as we dive into the SKIL tool that might just revolutionize your pruning tasks. The SKIL PR0601B is a cordless pruning saw designed for light-duty tasks around your yard. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing approximately 2.98 pounds with the chain and bar, makes it easy to handle even during extended use. The telescoping handle extends up to 2.8 feet, providing a total reach of about 7 feet, which is particularly useful for accessing higher branches without the need for a ladder. One of the standout features of this pruning saw is its brushless motor, which enhances efficiency and extends the tool's lifespan. With the included 20V 2.0 Ah power core battery, you can achieve up to 115 cuts on a single charge, making it suitable for most small to medium pruning jobs. The 6-inch bar and chain are ideal for precision cutting, allowing you to tackle branches with ease. However, it's worth noting that the telescopic shaft retracts into the handle, increasing its diameter. The design choice can make it a bit challenging for users with smaller hands to operate the thumb safety and trigger simultaneously. While not a deal breaker, it's something to consider if ergonomics are a priority for you. In terms of value, the SKIL is competitively priced at around $150, which includes the 2.0 Ah battery and charger. Considering its features and performance, it offers good value for homeowners seeking a reliable and efficient pruning solution. If you're interested in enhancing your yard maintenance toolkit, check out the product links in the description below. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons: handle diameter may be large for users with smaller hands, limited to light-duty pruning tasks. Pros: lightweight and compact design. Telescoping handle provides extended reach. Brushless motor for efficient performance. Tool-free chain tensioning for easy adjustments. IPX4 water resistance for durability. In my experience, the SKIL is a solid choice for homeowners looking to simplify their pruning tasks. Its combination of lightweight design, extended reach, and efficient performance makes it a valuable addition to any yard maintenance arsenal. Don't forget to check the product links in the description, and if you found this review helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.